Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I am here to invite all of y'all know what's coming in this month. My fabulous birthday. Now last year we had so much fun. We did the it was called the No Rush Challenge in our Gold Rush tablescapes. So this year we're going to do it again, except for the no rush part. I'm getting a little bit old, too old to be trying to look like a little 20-year-old with all that makeup challenge and all that. So, but I thought it was very fun last year when we did it, and we had a lot of good participants that joined them. But let me get into this fabulous open invite for my birthday celebration. So this year it is our annual Gold Rush, and the title is going to be just Gold Rush 21, and that is going to be your hashtag. The playlist will be available down in the description box. And of course, I could not do this open collaboration without my girls from the Sophisticated Ladies Club. So let me introduce you to them real quick. We have Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TVMG, Miss Robin from Table Talk with Robin, and we have Love My Babies Forever Tamara and Miss Penny from at Miss Penny's Place. All their information will be down in the description box. All I asked this year to come and help me celebrate my birthday, you got it, the Gold Rush tablescape. Anything you want to do in gold, it does not have to be a tablescape. You can do a section of your house, outside. This is just something for us to all come together here on YouTube and have some fun and celebrate. Like I said in the all-white party open invite, we've been stuck in the house, and I just want to bring a little bit fun back to YouTube like it was when we first started doing our videos, like for myself in 2019. Long story short, the time is going to be at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and of course, my fabulous birthday, August 23rd, which is on a Monday this year. So let me know, put down in the comments section, Gold Rush. That way me and the ladies can look for your video if you plan on participating. There is no set rules. Do what you want. We just ask that you use all your gold decor. If you're going to do a tablescape, you can add a accent color, whatever you want to do. I just want to see everybody come together and let's go out the summer with a bang, because it is Virgo season. So with that being said, and as I always say, I cannot wait to see what y'all do this year to come and help me celebrate my birthday. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I will see y'all on August 23rd at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bye-bye.